Welcome back to another episode of graphic designing tutorials. And in this video I'm about to show you how to make these kind of pictures.
What song? Yeah, that song.
So firstly, you will need to remove the background of your images, and this how I remove mine. There are so many ways of removing background, but this is the best way I prefer. And in this way of removing background, you can only get it in 2020 Photoshop upwards. And I'll also remove the background of this one. So in my next videos I will teach you how to make your to cast a shadow of your image onto the ground, same image, without using the blending mode menu. So let me clear here. Okay, so I will take my selection tool and come to this one and place it backwards like this. So I'll select it here, then switch it and click on black and white. So after it's turning into this, you come back here again and click on this and click on solid color. So from here is used to choose the color of the pigment of where you want to paint after choosing this color. So the shirt color is red, so I prefer red, so I'll choose red here. Then from here I will invert. I'll click on this one and invert, then pick my brush tool, then zoom in to the eye, then start painting on the eye. But not that much. Let me lower my opacity a bit. Okay, so after this I will come back here and double click on this one to open the blending menu, or I'll click on FS and open the blending menu. So layer style here, I'll click on the blending option. This is to make the reddish color blend with the eye very well. So you adjust it how you want it. So for mine, I don't really like the red too much, so I prefer this one. Make it this way. Yeah, so after this you merge all the layers, and this is how you make the layers. I'll merge all layers. After merging layers, you come back here, camera raw, then to adjust it the way you want. So after coming here, you click on it and adjust it the way you want. This is before and after.